All right, in topic one, you're going to be introduced to virtualization. There's two discussion questions as there is in every participation week, and these two questions will be dealing with cybersecurity and ethics, and there's two variations on it in each assignment. There's also two assignments. The first one is where you will explore the virtual lab environment, and you will connect to your Windows 10 Azure machine via remote desktop protocol, RDP, and then you'll be asked to explore the Hyper-V Manager, which is running 5 VMs. In the second assignment, you'll explore some terms that are part of cybersecurity and focus on virtualization. Specifically, you'll describe the main components of confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which is known as the cybersecurity triad, but also you'll be asked to discuss other components such as access, authorization, and authentication, non-repudiation, and privacy. So lots of terms that you'll be asked to define. You'll also define and contrast the terms of host and guest operating system, which is part of virtualization. You'll define the term of hypervisor, and you'll compare and contrast the different types of hypervisors, how they are used, and the advantages and disadvantages of each. And then lastly, you'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages of a virtualized environment. So that's the second assignment. Here we have, let me get my little pointer here. Here we have what your virtualized or environments network will look like. You have the Azure cloud in which your Windows 10 machine is located, and you'll connect to that from your laptop or desktop, whatever you're using. Then there'll be a pfSense firewall. Now this firewall is really not being used for any of the assignments. It's here to supply a private network for you. Right? This private network will all be on the 192.168.1 subnet, and all of your machines will be located on that network. The reason we're going with a private network is it will not mix your machines with the Azure network. So this way you have an isolated network to work with, and you won't impact them, they won't impact you. Down here, you'll have 4 different VMs configured. There'll be a Kali Linux, a Windows 10, and 2 Kioptics VMs, 2 and 3. What these VMs will do, you will not be able to log into them. You don't know what the password is, and what you're going to do is you'll have to do some enumeration, which means you're going to have to do some investigation and some pinging, some probing to find out what they are about. You'll have to determine the IP address for them and so on. We'll get more into that in the lab video, which you'll need to watch before you do the assignments. Now, one last thing that I want to say is make sure that you ask questions. Right? If you're not sure what to do, if you're having a problem, contact your professor, the Halo messages or through class questions, and make sure you keep asking questions until you fully understand what to do. Because the only dumb question is the one that you didn't ask. So have fun with this. You get your hands into this, and you're going to actually deal with some virtualized machines, which all my students say that this is the best part of the courses. Take care.